Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and hello Mr. Arif. Today I will do thesis presentation final case-based course financial technology and introduce myself. My name is Kasa Safira Safa from group 2 class K3G Financing and Banking Brawijaya University. And in the topic, blockchain as a supporting technology for digital audits in the CRIS payment system. And promoting sustainability development government 9 and 16. And this is member group 2 and me, Kalsafia Safa, and my friends, my partner, Yasinta Sifalo Alia. Slide 1. Background. The growth of financial technology or fintechs in Indonesia, particularly the use of CRIS, has increased the convenience and efficiency of digital transaction. However, this development has also raised new challenges, particularly related to security, potential fraud. The current transaction audit process still relies of payment service providers or PayGP as a centralized entity, which risks limiting the accuracy and speed of data verification. To address this challenge, blockchain technology offers a solution through a decentralized, transparent, and immutable recording system, potential enhancing security and trust in CRIS transaction audit. Next, relevancy and SDG. Fintech development plays a crucial role in supporting Sustainable Development Goal (SDG 9), which focused on innovation and digital infrastructure development, including expanding access to financial services through payment systems such as CRIS. Meanwhile, SDG 16 emphasizes the importance of transparent and accountable institutions, which can only be achieved through secure and trusted transaction data management. 3-4 Fintech request a robust audit system to maintain data integrity, prevent fraud, and increase public trust in digital transactions. Next, novelty and originality. The uniqueness of this research lies in combination blockchain technology with a digital audit system for CRIS transaction. Currently, transaction audits are often performed manually and rely on a single party, making them vulnerable to errors to data manipulation. By using blockchain and smart contracts, every transaction can be automatically recorded as an audit trail that is immediately stored and cannot be changed. This approach makes the audit process more transparent, faster, and more secure, while also helping reduce the risks of fraud of data minus. This innovation is expected to increase public trust in digital payment service in Indonesia. Next, research methodology. This study uses a descriptive qualified approach to describe and understand the state of CRIS transaction audits in Indonesia's digital financial ecosystem. The data used is secondary data obtained from official reports such as those from Bank Indonesia, the Financial Service Authority (OJK), and Bappenas, as well as various related journals and publications. Data was collected through a literature review and the analysis using content analysis to identify the issues. needs and potential implementing blockchain as a more transparent and secure audit solution. CRIS problem analysis. The CRIS transaction system still faces several challenges. Currently, audits rely heavily on internal reports from payment processing provider (PayGPs), making the verification process less independent. This situation opens up opportunities for data log manipulation. A strict control rests with a single party. Furthermore, difference in database structures between PGPs complicate data integration and consolidation. The manual and slow audit process also increases the risk of error, especially as the number of transactions continues to grow. Next, blockchain implementation. Blockchain can be a solution to make the CRIS transaction audit process more secure and transparent. With this technology, recorded data cannot be alternated or deleted, ensuring a clear and reliable transaction trail because the system is independent of a single party. Transaction recording is more independent and reduces the risk of internal manipulation. Furthermore, smart contracts for automated verification process without the need for time-consuming manual checks. Blockchain also provides a real-time audit trail, allowing each transaction to be monitored directly and errors or the fraud be detected more quickly. Next, blockchain audit flow simulation. When a CRIS transaction occurs, the system immediately stores the transaction data and generates a code as uniquely identifier. This has been then recorded on the blockchain, ensuring the data is secure and immutable. Afterward, the smart contract automatically checks whether the transaction data is correct. For example, that the amount matches and there are no suspicious transaction patterns. If anything is found to be unusual, the system flags the transaction. Audits can view our results via a digital dashboard, including both a normal and problematic transaction in real time. Next, system overload. Blockchain-based audit system offer high transparency as all parties can see the same transaction records. The process also enables faster fraud detection through automated checks by smart contracts. Audit process become more efficient because many manual processes are replaced by automated system. Furthermore, data cannot be manipulation, ensuring the authenticity and security of information. Contribution to the SDGs. The implementation of blockchain in CRIS audit supports SDG 9 by providing a more innovation and efficient digital finance infrastructure. Furthermore, this technology also contributes to SDG 16 by increasing transparency and accountability in transaction data management. Overall, blockchain helps strengthen digital governance and increase public trust in payment system. Next, implementation challenge. The implementation of blockchain in CRIS audit still faces several obstacles. The PayGP infrastructure needs to be upgraded to integrate with blockchain technology. Furthermore, human resources with a strong understanding of blockchain are needed, as this technology is still relatively new and complex. Regulators also need to be updated to ensure blockchain usage complies with national security standards and policies. Also, challenge scalability as system must be able to handle the enormous volume of cross transaction without compromising speed. Next, recommendation. For blockchain to be efficiently implemented, regulator needs to establish clear regulation and pilot projects as an initial steps. Auditors also need to improve their technological capabilities and begin using digital audit tools. Meanwhile, public accounting bodies PGPs needs to standard data formats and collaborate to facilitate system integration. And last conclusion, the application of blockchain in transaction audits can increase the transparency, security, and effectiveness of the digital audit process. With the immutable nature of data and automated verification through smart contracts, the risk of manipulation and fraud can be reduced. This system also makes audit faster and more independent, thus supporting the development of a more reliable national digital financial infrastructure. Furthermore, the implementation of this technology aligns with the achievement of SDG 9 innovation and infrastructure and SDG 6 transparency and accountability of institutions, which aim to strengthen digital governance and public trust in Indonesia's payment system. So this is expected to be of benefit to us all.